Hello, I'm Chris and welcome to part 1 of our guide to the Hither Green driving test area. In this series of videos, we're going to be showing you some of the more difficult parts of actual driving test routes and giving you some tips along the way. In this first video, we start on Bromley Road. We then turn onto Whitefoot Lane, drive into Grove Park, and then we'll head towards Lee. Along this road there is a bus lane. Look out for the blue signs. The blue signs tell us when we cannot use it between 7 till 10 AM and between 4 and 7 PM. It's after 10 AM, so we will have to use this bus lane. This helps other people drive past us if they wish to, and it eases congestion. The right hand lane would now be used for overtaking or turning right. We're turning left at the traffic lights. Once you've turned left, be on the lookout for parked cars. Be ready to check your mirrors to overtake, blind spot and signal to change lanes. As soon as we have an opportunity, we need to move back into the left-hand lane. But this space is not long enough. It's not worth going into it, only just to come back out again. As soon as you get an opportunity though, make sure you check your mirrors to the left, blind spot, signal to change lanes. We have to keep in the left hand lane as the right hand lane is used for overtaking or turning right. Plan ahead constantly. There's often parked cars down here, so we're checking mirrors, checking our blind spot and signalling to change lanes. And now it's just not worth going back to the left as there's more parked cars ahead. Pedestrian crossing. There's no one near it, so it should stay green. Lots of speed humps. The speed limit is currently 30 miles an hour. The time at the moment is 10 past 1 in the afternoon. Gives you a rough idea of what the traffic is like if you're taking your driving test at this time. At the traffic lights we will be turning right, so we'll stay in the right hand lane. Have a green filter arrow. Yellow box, make sure you keep that clear. We're currently heading towards Grove Park. A zebra crossing, checking both sides, make sure it's clear. No one wants to cross. Bus stop, might be a bus here on your driving test. Always be ready to overtake them if it's safe. We're approaching a mini roundabout and we will be turning left. As you approach, the road will start to widen out, and because we're turning left, we must really keep left. It's important to keep an eye on the curb and keep an eye on the right of the roundabout to make sure it's clear. Really keep left now. That helps people turn right next to you And now look out for a bus lane that's straight after the roundabout. Again, it's after 10 AM, so we can use this bus lane. But there's roadworks, there's cones, so we'll avoid those and then get into the bus lane. And again, this helps people overtake you if they wish to. And we've got some very nasty speed humps down here, so be careful. We see a bus ahead, might be stopping. Always keep an eye on the mirrors in case you have to overtake. So checking mirrors, blind spot and signal to overtake the bus. And then mirror signal, manoeuvre back to the left. Planning ahead, we see another stop bus and some roadworks, checking mirrors and signal. Now the traffic lights, we can only turn left. The right hand lane is used for overtaking or turning right at the second set of traffic lights. It's important to keep in lane as you go round the corner, keeping an eye on the other drivers as well, as they might cut in front of you. We're now approaching two sets of traffic lights. We have a green filter arrow pointing straight for us, and then we have a pedestrian crossing straight after. We're on quite a long road now. Keep an eye on your speed and your road position. Sign is warning us of a school. A stop bus, we're ready to overtake, but also looking out for pedestrians near the front of the bus. We're approaching a few shops, gets a bit busier down here, look out for pedestrians that like crossing this road. Another sign warning us of school children. At the traffic lights, we'll be turning right. At the second set of traffic lights, we'll be turning left. So as soon as we turn right, we need to keep in the left-hand lane. See the markings in the road. We have a green filter arrow pointing left, which gives us priority to turn. Stopped bus, indicating to go, so we have to give priority to the bus. Well, that's the end of part 1 of our little exploration of the Hither Green driving test area. Thanks for watching. If it's been useful, then please give us a thumbs up like at the bottom of the screen, and hopefully see you on part 2. Thanks again for watching, it's really appreciated.